Hello guys, good day everyone. So for today's video, we're gonna talk all about frequency modulation. So first things first, what is frequency modulation and demodulation?
Good morning everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Freqeuncy your vlogger. First, I'm here to tell you about what is frequency modulation and frequency demodulation. Frequency modulation can be defined as frequency of the carrier signal is varied proportional to the amplitude of the input modulating signal. And the second is frequency demodulation. It's the inverse of frequency modulation. The original modulating signal is obtained as an output of demodulation. Thank you and...
So what are the major uses of FM? So frequency modulation is widely used for FM radio broadcasting, but it is also used in telemetry, radar, seismic prospecting, and monitoring newborns for seizures via EEG, two-way radio systems, sound synthesis, magnetic tape recording systems, and sound video transmission system. So what is the main benefit of FM over AM? The main advantage of FM over AM are improved signal-to-noise ratio, about 25 decibel with reference to man-made interference, smaller geographical interference between neighboring stations, less radiated power. So what is the disadvantage of FM? It is much wider channel, typically 200 kHz is required in FM as against only 10 kHz in AM broadcast. This forms serious limitations of FM. Second, FM transmitting and receiving equipment, particularly used for modulation and demodulations, tend to be more complex and hence more costly.
Hello, good day everyone. For today's video, we will talk about the applications of frequency modulations.
So frequency modulations is commonly used in FM radio because frequency modulations provide a better signals than FM radio. It is also used in telemetry or a walkie-talkie or a half-duplex communications, radar, seismic prospecting, and monitoring newborn for seizures via EEG, two-way radio systems, sound synthesis, magnetic tape recording systems, and sound video transmission system.
In radio transmission, frequency modulation has a good advantage over other modulation. It has a larger signal-to-noise ratio, meaning it will reject radio frequency interference much better than equal power amplitude modulation AM signal. FM radio changes the frequency of the transmitter signal by the amount controlled by an audio signal. This requires a more complex circuit to convert the radio signal back into an audio signal, but it provides a better quality transmission. A frequency modulated continuous wave radar or FMCW radar system is a special type of radar system that measures both distance and velocity of moving objects.
In what frequency range is FM normally used? So the range of FM normally used is about 88 to 108 megahertz. FM stations are usually assigned a frequency in the range of 88 to 108 megahertz in contrast to AM radio, which is in the range of 0.55 to 1.6 megahertz. And this is one reason why AM radio has longer range. However, FM radio operates better reception areas that are close in such a channel and buildings, owing to the higher frequency and corresponding shorter bandwidth.